Hey guys, this is Tim, and I want to show you this non-contact voltage detector. I've had it for a number of years, and it's been a vital tool in my toolbox. Anytime you want to troubleshoot or detect if electricity is present. So I'll show you a little bit more about this. Okay, this detector will detect 12 volts up to 1,000 volts. Some of its features, on the very end here, you have a red button that is a flashlight. So when you press and hold this button down, as you can see, it becomes a flashlight as long as you hold it down. To turn the detector on, you just press and hold this on-off switch, and you'll see it immediately lights up green. Okay, so that means it's ready for testing. Okay, and to test it, we have this AC outlet plugged into a device, and when I mean no contact, you don't really have to touch the wire. You can see it's alerting red before it even gets to the wire. That lets you know that alternate current is flowing through this outlet. Okay, and let's say you have an extension cord running through your house. Here's an extension cord, and I'm not even going to plug it into a device. We'll just plug it in the outlet, and it lets you know that electricity is still flowing through this extension cord, even though it's not plugged into the device. Okay, so it's handy if you want to check extension cords throughout your home that might be plugged into lamps and so forth. And to check the outlet, you just simply hold it into the smallest opening of the AC outlet. The larger one is more of a ground. So that lets you know that this outlet is hot. And it won't hurt to put it all in because the end is plastic. So this is green, ready to go, but if it were to start beeping 3 consecutive beeps continuously, that lets you know that the batteries inside this tester are running too low to effectively test for a circuit. So in that case, you need to replace the batteries in the tester. So I highly recommend this non-contact AC detector. In the description below, you'll find a link where you can find out more about this product. So if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it very much. And give me a thumbs up on this video if you'd like to see more content like this. So have a great day.